Hello YouTube. Now this video is about which one is better, packet cleaner or bagless cleaner. I have my own opinion why packet cleaner is better than bagless cleaner, and let me explain why. Now, of course, with the bagless cleaner you have this dust cup or bin, and you just empty it and no worries. Well, that's not the case. First problem is when you empty this, dust will go everywhere. It will stick to the outside of the bin, but that is not the biggest problem. Biggest problem with the bagless cleaners or vacuums is that you have to maintain filters. Now this Electrolux has this foam filter, and this is something that you really do have to take care of. You see, this is already dusty and I have not used this a lot. But if you let this be too long here without washing it, it will lose suction, and over time it will blow the motor, because if the suction is lost because of the clogged filter, motor can't get air and it will overheat and finally blow if you do it too long. There's one mesh filter also that you have to take care of, but in this vacuum case this doesn't really need to be cleaned so often. But if you overfill this, it will go to the cyclone chamber, dust and everything you pick up, and then it clogs the vacuum. Okay, now you think, oh, I have Dyson. It doesn't clog because it's multicyclonic. Well, that's one problem more. Yes, it may take much longer foam filter to get dirty, but you have those cyclones that might clog, and if they do, it's a very big problem, because you have to take the whole cyclone system apart, and then your warranty is over. But I actually like bagless cleaners, but packet is better in my opinion. So if you are ready to maintain your vacuum, then you are fine with the bagless cleaner. Just maintain the foam filter pre-motor filter, and watch that you don't overfill the bin. That's the main things what you have to remember with the bagless cleaner. I actually use bucket cleaner to clean the bin from this bagless cleaner, and I also vacuum the foam filter. I just quickly show you how I do that. So this is now pretty clean, but you do have to wash this and not only vacuum. And of course, if you have just one vacuum, then you have to wash it and wait 24 hours. And I also clean this bin with the dusting brush. So now to the bucket cleaner. What you have to remember with the bucket cleaner is that one of these bags will take huge amount more dust than one binful from the bagless cleaner. And now I am using these fleece bags. These don't even lost suction when they are getting very full. Of course, in some point you have to change it. But if you consider what these cost, in this case 5 of these cost 10 euros, and one of these in pretty heavy use should last easily 1 month. So you can calculate how much it would cost 5 months and 10 euros. That's not bad at all. And there are of course filters in the packed vacuum also, mainly the pre-motor filter. But if you can see, I have not cleaned this for a long time, and this compartment is still quite clean. Not much dust at all, because this bag does very good job, and this is very clean, this pre-motor filter. So there it goes. It also depends how good seal there is. This looks very good seal, so it doesn't let dust into the back compartment, and then you have this exhaust filter. This is the same deal with the both vacuums. If you use these microfilters, you should really replace it when you use one set of bags. I mean, in this case 5 bags, so not bad at all. And now, so it's very water-free type of vacuum, packed vacuum. But if you have HEPA filter like this has, this is quite expensive. This is washable, but I have found that they never really came like they used to be after a wash. There's carbon dust from the motor, not dust. This is pretty clean still after heavy use. So there are few points. If you want to effortless maintain vacuum or easy to maintain vacuum, then I would go for the packed road, because there's not much to worry about, and with those fleece bags, not paper bags, but fleece bags are very good at filtering, and they don't lost suction so easily. So this is I would say that I like this looks more than this Electrolux, but it's not far away. Why I like this more? Well, I don't know how well you can hear the sound. I try to put these hoses far away from the microphone. This is how loud this is. Extremely soft sounding motor in this, and pretty quiet also, and this is one of the quietest Bagless exused hose, Bagless cleaners what there is, and it sounds like this. And for Bagless cleaners, this is very quiet. That's one reason why I selected this. So, for ease of use, packet cleaner, and if you really have to save money, I mean 5 months and 10 euros, then go for the Bagless. But there is this one thing that I believe many people buy these Bagless cleaners because you can see the dust what you pick up, and I have to say that that's one big thing what I like about these bagless cleaners is that you can see the dust what you pick up, and it's very good for my demonstrations. So, packet versus bagless, and this is something that you should consider before buying vacuum, and I hope that you found, despite my bad English, I hope you found this helpful. So, goodbye.